Hey guys, if you're dealing with the issue of missing shell icons, then this video is just for you. As you can see on my screen, none of the icons are visible, neither on my desktop, taskbar, nor in my drives. It's frustrating, but don't worry, I'll show you how to fix this problem quickly and easily. Before we dive in, if you're new here, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel so I can keep bringing you helpful videos like this. Now, to fix this issue, we'll need to make a small change in the Windows Registry Editor. To open it, press Windows plus R on your keyboard to bring up the Run command. Type regedit and click OK. This will open the Registry Editor, where we'll navigate to the specific folder causing the problem. Once the Registry Editor is open, you'll see a long list of folders on the left-hand side. First, look for a folder named HKEY Local Machine. Click on the small arrow next to it to expand the folder and reveal its contents. Inside, you'll find several subfolders. Scroll down until you see the folder labeled Software. Again, click the small arrow to expand it. Now, within the Software folder, locate another folder named Microsoft. Since the list is quite long, take your time to find it. Once you see it, expand it just like we did before. Under Microsoft, look for the folder labeled Windows. This might take a moment to find since there are many subfolders. Once you've found it, click the arrow to expand it as well. Inside Windows, scroll down to find the folder called Current Version. This is where we're getting closer to the issue. Expand the Current Version folder to move forward. Finally, under Current Version, you'll find a folder named Explorer. Click the arrow next to it to expand it. And here's the important part. Inside the Explorer folder, look for a subfolder called Shell Icons. Once you're in the Shell Icons folder, you'll notice a file named 29 on the right side of the Registry Editor window. This is the file we need to modify. This is where we'll paste a specific command to fix the missing icons issue. You'll find the command you need in this video's description, so feel free to copy it from there. Once you've pasted the command into the value data field, click OK to save the changes. Now that we've made the changes in the Registry Editor, it's crucial to restart your system. Restarting ensures that the changes take full effect and your icons are restored. So go ahead and restart your computer. Once your system restarts, take a look at your desktop and taskbar. You should see that the icons have reappeared. However, in some cases, you might notice that the icons have white blank spaces around them. This doesn't always happen, but if it does, don't worry, it's a minor issue, and I'll show you how to fix it. To resolve the blank space issue, we'll need to go back to the Registry Editor and make one small adjustment. Navigate back to the Shell Icons folder using the same path we followed earlier. Take your time to ensure you're in the correct folder. When you're back in the Shell Icons folder, locate the 29th file again and double-click on it. We'll simply remove the command that we previously pasted into the value data field. Restart your computer to apply the changes. Once your system restarts, you'll notice that the icons are now fully restored. No missing icons, no blank spaces, just as they should be. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully resolved the issue of missing shell icons. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who might be struggling with the same problem. Your support helps me create more helpful content like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.